Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to make study lamp. So be with us. We need these things to make it. Old emergency light which is not working, stand, soldering iron, soldering paste, soldering wire, switch, screwdrivers and an old charging wire, PVC clip, scissors, black paintbrush, sellotape, cardboard, etc. First take old emergency light and unscrew it with screwdriver carefully. And open the box. Unscrew the connection board with screwdriver. Take out the battery, this one, and keep it aside as we don't need that. Remove the screw from the LED and take it out. Actually, you will not find green wires here. You will find red and black wires. So cut them with scissors and peel them. Separate both of them by removing the screws. Take charging wire, which you don't need, of 5 volts, and remove the back part of it and peel the wires. This is negative and other one is positive. And in charging wire, black one is negative and white one is positive. Make simple electric circuit. Solder this wire with soldering iron and tape it. Plug charging wire and on the switch. You can see it's glowing. Attach this mirror part to LED and fix it with screws or tape. This is the stand which I made at home. You can also make by attaching a PVC pipe to a plate with some L part of metal and I wrapped it with tape. I attached the L part to this plate with bending wires. You can also make like this at home. To make it more stronger, you can use petrol gum. Link is in the description. We'll fix the light part here. Do the markings with sketch pen of PVC clip. It's better to do the markings and holes on the switch side. Make holes with soldering iron. Now we need to screw them. You can use this type of screws or other, whichever fits more better in the PVC clip. You use them. You can see I have screwed them. We'll attach this clip here. Don't stick the switch here. Stick it at the clip side. You can remove the tape of LED and flip it. Stick switch, LED and clip with sellotape like this. See, it's working. You can adjust the light up and down according to your size. To make it look more better, I pasted cardboard here and here. Now it's totally ready. It's the time to study now. Like, share and subscribe to Sheikhan Experiments. Thanks for watching.